How to send a PDF on iPhone. To get started, first of all, go ahead and open up the Mail application on your iPhone. Opening the Mail app, it's taken to the Mailboxes page where you can view all available folders. Tap on the Inbox option. Tap the Compose icon at the bottom right to start a new message. Fill in the correct recipient's email address and add a subject line. Tap in the email's body to write a message. There, a format bar will appear above the keyboard. Tap the right arrow on it to see more options. Then tap the paperclip icon and choose Attach File. Browse for and select the PDF from your files. It will now appear in the email. Finally, tap the blue send arrow to send your email with the attachment. Following these steps, you can easily send a PDF on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.